Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see what is MetaApp Installer on Android, what does it do and why it's there and how can you safely remove the option. MetaApp Installer is a system app found on many Android phones. It helps install and update Meta apps and services such as Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. It usually works in the background and is often pre-installed by the phone manufacturer. Is it safe? Yes, absolutely. If it came from pre-installed on your phone, it is generally safe and developed by Meta platforms itself. Can you disable it? Yes. On many Android devices, you can disable it by opening Settings, go to tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications, tap Meta App Installer, and tap Disable if available. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.